Hey guys! Today we're going to be talking about how to use your essential oils aromatically. This is one of the fastest and easiest ways to experience essential oils, so it's a great place to start, especially if you're a beginner. Sit with me for just a second, we're going to get a little nerdy. You have these super cool things in your nose called your olfactory bulbs. They're chock full of receptors and nerves, and they communicate directly with the portion of your brain called the limbic system. The limbic system in your brain is the most primitive portion of your brain, and it's also your emotional control center. We keep a lot of our memories in there, which is why it's so closely linked to our sense of smell. This is why using essential oils aromatically is super fast, super easy, and very effective. I have here in my hand a bottle of grapefruit essential oil. Grapefruit's one of my favorite citrus essential oils. Citrus oils are very uplifting, they're mood elevating, they're just kind of all around happy plants in general anyway. So what I'm going to do is uncap the bottle of this grapefruit essential oil and breathe in. You can do that, right? Super easy. Another really great way to use essential oils aromatically is with a diffuser. I have one running right over here. Diffusers are just little machines that run off of water and most of the time electricity, although I have seen some that are solar powered and even run off batteries. What's super cool is that they don't run hot, they run cool, and they shut themselves off when they're done. All it's doing is dispersing little tiny molecules of essential oils up into the air so that you can experience it aromatically. Super easy, and I actually have lots of other tips on how to use essential oil diffuser on another video here if you want to go check it out. Another way to use essential oils aromatically is by wearing a piece of diffuser jewelry. If you can see here, I'm wearing a necklace that has a little lava stone on it. Lava stones are porous, which make them perfect for diffusing essential oils. So all you do is rub a drop, or you could even do on your finger, of essential oil right on the lava stone. And it's going to absorb that and maintain the scent for usually a couple of days, which is really nice. I'm always wearing my diffuser jewelry because I find it's a really easy way to give yourself a pause. I'll just even bring it up to my nose and inhale it throughout the day. It's also really close to my heart, which just makes me feel good in general. Another way to use essential oils aromatically is by placing a drop of essential oil in the palm of your hand. This is going to be a little bit more intense than just huffing it from the bottle because you're using your palms to create a little friction and heat. Avoiding your eyes, you're going to want to inhale deeply through cupped palms. And you can do this as many times as you want in order to get the desired emotional outcome that you're looking for. A final way to use your essential oils aromatically is by making a room spray. Stay tuned for some future videos and I'll show you how to do that. It's super easy, super inexpensive, and a really great way to scent your home without any harmful chemicals. I hope this was helpful and I hope you feel a little bit more empowered about how to use essential oils aromatically. If you have any questions, head on over to my website at thewholesomenomad.com and be sure to subscribe so you get notified when I release a new video. Happy travels! See you later!